was a foolproof plan. Take a plane to Munich and then spend a week skiing in the Alps, making use of those wonderful trains.
Sail away with me, honey. Put my heart in your hand. Sail away with me, honey. Now, now, now. Sail away with me. What will be, will be. I wanna hold you now, now, now. Crazy skies are wild above me now. Winter howling at my face, and everything I held so dear disappeared without a trace. Oh, all the times I tasted love, never knew quite what I had. Little darling, if you hear me now, never needed you so bad. Spinning round inside my head. Sail away with me, honey. I put my heart in your hand. Sail away with me, honey. Now, now, now. Sail away with me. What will be, will be. I wanna hold you now, now, now. I've been talking drunken gibberish, falling in and out of bars, trying to get some explanation here by the way some people are. How did it ever come so far?
Okay, here we are, Zug By Glacier, Mike's first run.
After a few days of sightseeing, we were ready for the serious business of skiing. Day 2 brought us to Kutai, a resort popular with the locals.
Turn to look on. Okay, he's on the slope.
Day 2 was also another perfect day of spring conditions with beautiful corn snow. Here the bullet demonstrates how to drop a wind whip, and I demonstrate how not to. One could easily argue that the best part about skiing in Europe are the lunches.
My love is alien. I picked her up by chance. She speaks to me. See. Radio band of gold.
Innsbruck was a wonderful place to stay, with great skiing, super restaurants, and numerous cultural activities available.
What more can a poor boy do?
With 2 days of great skiing under our belt, it was time to hop on the train and head to Lech.
What more can a poor boy do?
So the plan was to hook up with my buddy Nick Perry, who had just flown in from the UK, and then meet up with my father Franz, who was over celebrating his 75th birthday, and to ski the white ring as many times as possible in the next 5 days.
I'll never see her face. Between us there's too much space. What more can a poor boy do? What more can a poor boy do?
The forecast called for snow. So when it started drizzling at dinner time, there was definitely need for concern. I told Nick not to worry, it would snow, and tell you what, I was right.